In this video, I'll be showing you how to move files and folders in Windows 11. It's a very simple method, so if you find this video helpful, be sure to drop a like and subscribe. But anyways, getting into it, it's very simple to go ahead and do this. Now, let's say you want to move anything. This works with any sort of folders, with any sort of files as well. It doesn't really matter what you have or any folders. The same principle applies for everything. So let's say I wanted to move this over to a different folder. First thing I can do is just drag and drop it to wherever I want. So let's say right now it's on my desktop. And let's say I wanted to move it to my D drive. As you can see, it says copy to D right there. And then that's it. It's then going to be copied right here. Now, what you could also do if I want to move it, like I can go ahead and right click. I'm going to see a few different options. Let's say I want to copy it, and then I can copy it and, put it somewhere else. Like, let's say I want to put it here. That's it. It's then going to be there. So that's one option I could go ahead and do. Now, let's say I want to go ahead and, move it entirely so it's not in the original location. Right click and then press cut like so. And then when I press when I paste it like so, it's then going to be here. But when I go back, it's not here anymore. So yeah, there's a few different ways you could do it. But if you found this video helpful, be sure to drop a like and subscribe.